Okay, so I never really said anything last night if we left Magic Kingdom, and then this morning I went to work, but to continue our staycation, we are now at Saratoga Springs. So, basically, the room looks exactly the same, but different decor. You have a bed, you have a TV, although we don't have the cool little pop-out bed with, like, the little, with Bambi in it. No.
This hotel has better room service.
Did you get some? No. And we have a view of Cirque du Soleil at Disney Springs. So, fun fact, I've never been to Saratoga. It's cute.
I want to go see the pinboard.
Look at all the horses.
I sat on this bench one time for like 3 hours because I was bored and I had nothing else to do.
Oh, this place is so cute.
I love it.
Is there only one?
And it's my size and everything. It's so cute. How did I not know about this until right now?
I don't know.
I don't like the colors, but it's cute.
We came and did some coloring.
It's a self-portrait, actually.
She couldn't find sadness.
Yeah. So I had to go with the next best emotion, disgust.
They oddly enough only had like 5 colors though, so disgust looks pretty good. Aurora, I just made her dress red since there was no pink.
And if any of your subscribers or watchers know where my fuel rod is, and you want to let me know, that would be solid. I think it's in my work backpack.
Considering this video won't be up
I don't care.
for probably months, we'll have an answer then.
My name tag is open inside my bag. Safety does not begin with me.
Oh, I'm not even on
See?
you.
This is my college name tag. I don't even use this. Why this is in my park bag beats me. Should we see what else? This is a what's inside my Disney bag haul. Here is my merchandise pin thing with no pins on it. This is where I put all the pins that I see that like I'm gonna keep that I don't know what I'm gonna do with. This little flight attendant mini, and then the right rabbit. There's a Festival of the Arts passport.
Oh.
And this from the mural that I did, even though the color that I did is nowhere to be found on this postcard, but that's alright. I have my college program name tag. An autograph book I would just like to show off too. There's Goofy's. He drew a self-portrait because I told him he was going to be the first one in my autograph book. And then my idol, two of my idols, Thomas Stubbins and then Vampirina. Go to Hollywood and buy it for breakfast, or don't. Save your money. Take your break. Stitch drew some Harry Potter glasses. I don't know. I forget the conversation of why he drew Harry Potter glasses. Ariel, she had her legs on that big. That's it. A bookmark from Festival of the Arts. A I'm invited card to Mickey and Minnie's birthday celebration at Magic Kingdom. I need a new one though. My wallet. Nothing's in it.
I didn't even know you had a wallet.
I didn't either. Oh, look it. This one's bent and broken. That's great. This is my Star Wars name tag that like I kind of need. It says I'm from Coruscant. From the Star Wars celebration. It was free, so I'm not mad about it being broken. We got some like okay trading pins. A sharp highlighter. It's not even a Sharpie. I think that was from the airplane. Oh, what's this? Oh, my Cast Connections coupon. I gotta put that somewhere safer, like the back pocket. These are my good trading pins for like the people at Epcot that love to rip people off. Check this out. My camera that I don't use. I paid $400 for this stupid thing and I've used it twice. Here's some bad news. My my picture coupon's not in here. Like, for my free picture. I don't know where it is either. This is not a good sign. This is not a good sign.
Find somewhere.
And then some Alex and Ani bracelets that I'm not going to take out. And chapstick. Or maybe I will take them out. Let's see. Oh, and a necklace. My Animal Kingdom necklace. It's all tangled. Okay, we'll start with this one. This is a little dolphin. I don't know what it means. This is a little turtle. It's a charity one.
Where's the turtle? There
There it is. It's a charity one.
Turtle.
The elephant one. There's a piece of hair on it too. It really adds the effect. This is a wing. I think it's a wing, or it's a feather. I can't say it's that symbolic if I can't even remember if it's a wing or a feather. I think it's a wing, and it's supposed to be like a guardian angel wing. I gave one to my old leader, and the other day I had it on, and she goes, "What's this one?" She's playing with it, and I said, "It's the same one that you have the other half to." And she didn't even know. So that made me feel tip-top. This one, this is the Queen Bee one. This was a birthday present from one of the servers at Hollywood and Vine. I love her with my whole heart. I cried. I had to leave the park because I was crying so hard. And then the Tree of Life because I am Animal Kingdom trash. Thank you. That was fun.
Update, in case you weren't paying attention. Her fuel rod is not in the bag. Was not part of the bag, so now we have to find
That
it.
was the whole reason why I just showed every single one of you what was in my bag.
Alright, our staycation is over.
My toothpaste.
Saying goodbye to our room. Don't forget your jacket too. It's right there.
My sanity was left behind.
Alright, goodbye. I don't even know where I'm going.
Shut the light off.
Is that a closet? Environmentally friendly.
Yes, I didn't sign up for the emails.
So I would definitely get lost at this resort if Christine didn't know her way around. I've never
At this hotel the most.
I've never been here, and it's really big, but oddly enough, I was telling her whenever I drove past like where the spa's at, I remember seeing that in like an old Plan Your like Disney Vacation DVD, or even it might have been a VHS. I don't even know.
I usually stay here like 3 times a year, so I think I know.
But I just remember like families happily riding a bike, and I never knew what resort it was. And here it is.
Did I scare you? Yeah.
This was the first Disney hotel I ever stayed at.
Wow, mine was All Star Movies. So
It went Saratoga, Animal Kingdom Lodge, All-Star Music, and then I don't know the rest.
okay,
I could probably think about it.
it'd take me a while. Stayed at All Star Movies probably first 3 times. Oh no, Fort Wilderness is included in there somewhere. Look at this cake. Oh my god. I'm loving all the Disneyland, well not Disneyland, but Sleeping Beauty, 60th stuff. It's the best. This is the building that was in all of the things that whatever, can't speak, videos that I used to watch. But now we are leaving. Goodbye. Wow. Magic Kingdom twice this week.
Who are we?
Don't know.
And we already know we're coming one day next week.
Oh yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
No, it's not gonna.
No. No barking today. But we're here, so. I've never seen this parade yet, the dance thing.
I'm cold, I wish I brought
It
my
looks
jacket.
cute. So I haven't really done anything at Magic Kingdom for Mickey and Minnie's birthday, which everybody forgets about Minnie's birthday and just celebrates Mickey's. But so we're waiting in line to sign the guest book. Alright, so I thought I recorded a sign the guest book. Didn't. No!
Your stickers!
Alright, let's try this again. We signed the guest book. We got little stickers. And, oh, sorry guys. Little invitations for their party going on. So yeah, it's cute. Okay, so
Tony from Ohio is my hero.
I know, right? Bag check was taking forever, but we have taken the monorail over to Epcot to experience some art.
Where'd my phone go? I hope I didn't leave it on the table.
We'll see.
Oh, hold on. Oh, there it is.
We're good.
Festival line. Hi, go slide on up here. Wonderful. It's not gonna work, baby.
Enjoy your day. Welcome in. Mine didn't even turn pretty colors. I'm so
Yeah, mine
upset.
didn't turn purple for DVC.
But this is cute. I low-key like miss this park arrival music from my 8 months I spent over there in the corner.
You could have extended and made it longer.
Yes.
But instead, I got left all by myself.
You know, I had to get a degree that I'm not using. So even though like I work Festival of the Arts, I never see half this stuff because I'm always in World Showcase. But they've got the living statues out, which is fun. It's supposed to wait, what are they? It's the seas is this one. So that's like Nemo. Imagination for the Imagination Pavilion. And look at her. She's basically living with the land in a statue. I love it. Some beautiful chalk art.
No. Vinci flying machine. It's featured inside there.
Oh. Wow. Oh man, look. There's the dongle. So we helped paint the mural. We took pictures instead of recording and, you know, holding paint and phones, too much stuff going on cameras.
My hair was too frizzy.
You know, here it is. Christine helped paint, I think, this one here, and I helped paint that guy there.
Of course, it just had to be Figment.
He's the best.
Not.
Alright, we're heading upstairs to one of our favorite places.
I haven't been here in a while.
I haven't been here, obviously, since last time with you.
Yeah, how else would you get in here?
Just sneak up here. Christine, you're supposed to wear your button.
Hold on.
Pride.
I'm trying to take a picture of the ceiling.
What did I really come here for?
Free snack.
Yes, we come here for the free snacks. I mean, also we can charge our phone, but for real, it's we come here for the Coke machine.